In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pipeline in Systeme, IO. By the end, you'll have a clean, working pipeline inside the built-in CRM, ready to track leads and deals from first contact to close. Start by going to systeme.io and heading to your main dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land there automatically. This is your control center, where you can access all the tools in your account. From the dashboard, open the CRM section in the navigation. Inside CRM, select Pipelines. This page lists every pipeline you've created and is where you'll manage the flow of your leads and opportunities. Now look to the top right corner of the page and click Create. This opens the new pipeline setup screen. First, give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name. Choose something that instantly tells you what it's for, like sales, client onboarding, or partnerships. A good name makes searching, reporting, and team collaboration a lot easier as your account grows. Next, move to the Stages area. Stages are the columns your contacts will move through, such as new lead, qualified, proposal, and won. You can edit the default stages right now to match your exact process, rename them, add new ones, or remove anything you don't need, or you can keep the defaults as a simple starting point. If you're unsure, don't stress. You can always come back and refine these later as your workflow becomes clearer. When the basic setup looks good, click Save. This creates the pipeline and brings up an option to add a highlight. A highlight is a short label that helps your pipeline stand out in lists and makes it easier to spot at a glance, especially when you have several pipelines. Type in a concise highlight that matches the pipeline's purpose so it's instantly recognizable. Click Save again to confirm. Your new pipeline is now active in the CRM. From here, you can begin adding contacts and moving them through the appropriate stages. And remember, you can return to your pipeline settings anytime to fine-tune stage names, adjust the order, or expand the structure as your process evolves. The key is that you've laid a solid foundation, a clear name, sensible stages, either customized or default, and a helpful highlight, so your team always knows where each opportunity stands. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Repeat these same steps whenever you need an additional pipeline for a new product, market, or workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.